Hey there, future road explorers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of beginner friendly cars that combine ease of driving, safety, and a touch of adventure. Whether you're taking your first step behind the wheel or looking for a smooth ride as you build your driving skills, we've got you covered. Let's hit the road and explore the top contenders for the best cars for beginners. Best cars for beginners, finding your perfect match. Honda Civic. 10th generation from 2016 to present. Engine option 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4. Fuel type gasoline. 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 7.5 seconds. Horsepower approximately 174 horsepower. Top speed around 130 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency varies, but typically around 36 miles per gallon, or 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Overview: the Honda Civic, particularly with its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, offers a blend of power and efficiency ideal for beginners. This engine's performance, combined with smooth handling and advanced safety features, makes the Civic a top choice for those new to driving. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. 12th generation from 2019 to present. Engine option, hybrid system, gasoline engine plus electric motor. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour competitive with the 2.0-liter gasoline engine. Horsepower, combined output of around 121 horsepower, gasoline engine plus electric motor. Top speed, around 120 miles per hour. Fuel efficiency, exceptionally high fuel efficiency, with city driving often yielding impressive numbers, such as around 53 miles per gallon, or 4.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Driving experience offers smooth and quiet electric driving at low speeds, with a seamless transition between gas and electric power. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've taken a spin through the top contenders for beginner-friendly cars, each offering a mix of reliability, ease of driving, and a touch of excitement. No matter which car you choose, remember that your journey on the road is just beginning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more driving tips and exciting automotive explorations. Until next time, stay safe, keep learning, and enjoy every mile.